What's up, guys? Well, Jimmy is gone for drift week and he's left us in charge.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
A little bit of both.
I wouldn't say us, it's definitely me and Spoon.
But before we go any further, let me grab this from you. Everyone.
It's Austin's first day.
Woo! First day! You guys have been asking for him. Where have you been, Austin?
Still just been packing up at home in Kentucky, and we just made the move up here last week. We've been getting unpacked and settled in, but today's the first day. So, ready to get to work.
You excited?
Hell yeah, let's do it.
Please show Austin the love that you guys have shown me. You guys are awesome. Monday morning, we're getting right after it. Today is a good day. We have Jeremy, our boy Pitbull, putting the glass back in the E36. All right, so Jeremy gets the glass ready. Let's go over the few things that I've gotten done since the last you guys have seen it. Dash is in for good. All the wiring got tidied up and remounted. Heater box is mounted. We've mounted the ECU inside. Block off plate for where the factory
that
heater
thing
cord.
is pretty.
Yeah. I was bored Saturday. The most exciting part.
Oh, no way.
Streetcar. Giving you guys a close start. Was it one time for the one time? Take a look at the back of the car. Ready?
Oh, we got the LED strip in?
That's it.
That's so sick.
Been, what, a month and a half since we took the car apart? Yeah.
Wow, this thing's come together so fast.
So, while Jimmy's on drift week, our goal is to, at least for this week, get the entire body and interior pretty much done. I'm out the bumpers, get those painted, glasses going in today. I want to get the seats in, finish up the wiring. We're still waiting for underglow and interior glow. And then next week I want to focus on all the mechanical stuff. I want this thing ready so when Jimmy comes back, he tune it, test it, then he leaves for Ireland, and then when he comes back, we're going to Florida. On top of that, we got some chaser stuff for you guys. Jimmy's out having fun drifting.
And we're gonna take control.
Yeah.
Dip the bottom, just watch the center on that.
Don't you love it? It's when the car starts to look together.
Last one look finished, man.
I flex one real quick. Oh, it looks so good. Look at it. Glass always makes that huge difference. Thank you, sir.
Of course, man. Thank you guys for always letting me fuck with your cars.
Let's see this 36. Wow, the glass. A lot of stuff in here. Wait, let me take it all in. Dash, wheel hub, hydro. Wow, Spoon. Smells like spoon paint. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
It's crazy to see it like this because it's been half primered, overs weren't painted. Spoon killed it. The thing looks like a certified race car now.
It's actually feeling like a real car now.
Yeah.
Got new seat brackets in. I believe one of you guys recommended these that actually push the seat up and over. Let's put the seat in. All right, we have our base plate bolted on, but in typical fashion, we can't leave anything alone, and we're gonna have to modify this bracket. Because Jimmy is 7 feet tall, going to have to notch this to get this over and as back as possible. We know a better tool for that. And I'll just go back and clean it up. See how bad I did. That'll work. I gotta grab the seat. I think I've had the seat in this thing 100 times.
Well, this time is the time. It's going in.
You're right. The last time, hopefully. Can't scratch nothing now. Oh, plus, I'm exposing Jimmy because he already scratched the car. These seat brackets are cool. Tone's trying to seat our dude.
It's going. Ooh!
That's one.
There we go.
That is one.
Alright, well, maybe it took seconds for you guys. It was probably a good hour.
It was a good 2 hours.
2 hours, seat in and out another 10 times. The new seat bracket sits great. Perfect for me to drive the car. But I think Jimmy's gonna be too close. Gotta find a way to scoot it back, maybe a ½ an inch, if not more. But if I wanted to drive the car, I'd be great.
You look good in this, man.
Thank you. I like this thing. One day I'll have one. Alright, I'm over the seat fiasco. I'm tired of it. I'm just gonna walk away from it. I'm pretty sure you guys, just as bad as me, want to see the bumpers on. Figure out a way to mount them. Because with all the factory BMW stuff gone, there's nothing. Got these quick latches off of Amazon. I usually use the actual good quick latches, but it's a drift car. These bumpers are gonna
do the job.
They're gonna get ripped off. Yes. Amazon special. Come with a little stud.
Bam. Easy as that.
So, fog lights, don't need those where we're going. Factory bumper mounts, don't need those where we're going. These tabs, they're in the way, so we don't need those where we're going. Life of a fabricator. 30% thinking about how you're gonna do it, 30% doing it, 40% redoing it. I wanna do 2 in the front to hold the center up. It's gonna come right off the bash bar. Make an L bracket off the bottom for the stud. You digging Jim's good bracket box that he saved? Yeah, save all your brackets. Never know when you'll need them again.
It's gonna come in handy in the future, like right now.
Like right now. Cut the access off, probably drill 2 holes. Probably gonna have to cut this bracket down some more. You wanna give yourself room, make sure you have room for adjustment. You don't wanna put it too far out, then you can't bring the bumper in far enough in.
Check it out, Austin.
Bro, it looks so good.
Imagine it all red, and then I'm just gonna do some carbon block offs right here. Up here. Since there's nothing behind here to really easily mount to, made a small tab for the quick latch. Made a plate that's going to mount here. We're going to simply connect A to B.
A to B.
That looks damn good.
Keep it simple, stupid.
Bam.
Obviously, there's one more to do.
Spoon killed it once again. Good job.
Simple, easy to replicate when it gets smacked.
What is up, everybody? Today is November 8th. RJ?
It's 11:20 a.m.
And today we are fitting the M Sport kit on the Chaser. We got our razor blades and we're ready to go.
He's got no excuse of driving it now. There's been his excuse for the longest.
No kit.
No kid. It
So
looks
we're
like a Camry.
We're gonna make it spicy for you. It's not gonna be a Auntie Camry no more. It's gonna be Sexy Uncle.
Shout out to the boys at Coral Works.
Sent over the kit. They also sent over some goodies. I got the dice on my neck right now, rocking.
First, we also got Ganadors because we all know Jimmy's a basic bitch.
What's wrong with Ganadors?
I like them.
He just puts them on everything.
They're so hard to see out of. That's what I don't like about them.
So this kit that we're unraveling right now is a M Sports kit for the JZX 100, and it, like we said, it came in from Coral Works, and they even left a nice message on the bag too to Jimmy. So show him that. Thanks for not filming ugly drip cars.
Oh.
Try to unravel.
I've seen a lot of fiberglass, and this actually looks really nice.
Guys, we're figuring this out as we go. Big vloggers.
Oh yeah, that's a big butt.
Shorty got cake.
All right, now which one do we start with?
Let's do the front one first.
Yeah.
That one we're gonna have to cut. That one's gonna take the longest one to fit. See how much we gotta cut. A lot. Cut minimal. You rather cut 4 times and then
It's too much material.
yeah, instead of cutting way too much and can't put it back on. We're gonna have to notch it for the piping.
Yep.
Oh, that's gonna look so good.
Anthony said it. He said he sees the vid. Tell him.
I see the vision already.
Cuatro qua. I've seen this man do magic with a Sharpie.
So before we go to bolt the bumper on, we're gonna heat the entire top half of the bumper to kind of let it relax, and then we'll bolt it into place.
It's the stuff. Steve for the grunt work around here. Happy to do it.
I get why Jimmy didn't want to drive the car without the kit.
It
Yeah.
looks so good.
This thing
now
was
with it.
so cool.
Just the bumper alone right now. I'm seeing all types of visions.
Pretty impressed with the kit. Look at this. That's
I
nice.
lined up perfectly.
Yeah. That's like no trimming there. It's just intercooler trimming.
A little bit of persuasion, a little bit of massaging, a little bit of
A
cutting,
little bit of heat.
a little bit of cutting.
And all the tough stuff.
Yeah, all the T stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
Evolving.
Yeah.
Next stage. Yep.
That's damn good. Let's get a skirt on this thing.
Fuck it, Carl, break it. It ain't going to the Alright, so our dilemma is we're not sure. We know that, yeah, we're not sure if they run this whole piece. From the looks of it, everyone cuts this rubber flap off and color matches this. So we're gonna take it off, see what's underneath. Yeah, it'll be easier to cut off the car too. You have your molding, and then you have this rubber seal. I cut the rubber seal off. Skirt's on. We used as many factory mounting screw holes. I'm gonna make some L brackets off the bottom just to keep the side skirt level, but we could do that at another time. Cut the rubber off of this one and popped it back on just to make sure it was good. So we left the rest of them off. That way Anthony can paint them with the skirts. Not on the back bumper, because I want to see this thing on the ground.
Sorry, Jim. Hope you're watching this, sweating, but I'm gonna do you right.
Tell me.
Don't play her. Don't play games. Don't play games. Oh yeah, that's good, baby. We're gonna take these interior panels off.
Couple clips.
Couple clips. We'll double team this.
I'm just supervisor. This one's fucking starting like one edge.
There's something close.
I will not.
You did your thing. See, we would have mangled that. Scumbag, this bad.
Oh, nice.
Come on. My first tail light.
Nice.
Steve's first bumper. Thanks, guys.
Now it looks like a real episode car.
Hopefully the muffler isn't in the way.
Already in the way.
Take it off.
We might have to unbolt it.
Up a little bit.
Yeah.
Is your side overhanging or no?
What do you mean?
This side fits way better than the other side.
Does it?
But this on the other side is mint. But he might have just finesse. Oh, there you go. Never mind.
For fiberglass, that's incredible.
Yeah, for fiberglass, those kids fit really fucking good. So we just gotta figure out how we're gonna hold this down. Probably two-sided tape or Jim's old magnet trick.
Or just pay a guy to hold it. Pause.
I would say put the Ganadors on, but I don't know. We'll just wait till they get painted.
Yeah.
I would like to see the vision.
I want to see the car on the ground. She went to Colombia and came back with a BBW.
Yeah, the BBL ski, for real. That's money, dude. Today was a good day.
Yeah. So in the past 2 days, you've seen us button up a bunch of stuff on the E36 and jumped right into the Chaser body kit, which looks phenomenal.
It was a dream. The only thing you had to work for is
The
bumper, but we knew that because the intercooler. But besides that, the M Sport kit, money, dude.
equipment, I'm surprised.
Yeah.
I said I've done a lot of fiberglass, a lot of aftermarket stuff, and it all fits like shit. Some just fits better than others.
And this is one of those ones that fit better than
It
others.
was a dream. It was a dream. Shouts to Coral Works as well for, sourcing the kit. Can't thank those guys enough. I mean, that's big. We were looking for a kit for this since we got the car. Before we got the car.
That's why Jimmy didn't want to drive it. So I don't have a kit. I don't want to drive it. So he's got no choice now. If not, we're driving it.
That's right.
But yeah, man, you kicked ass today, Spoon. Touch me.
We kicked ass.
We kicked ass. Yeah, I took a bumper off.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for that.
Proud of me, brother?
Everybody worked.
Die for you.
You guys already know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Steve?
Have a good night.